Okay, so in this video we'll look at the summary. In this we I've written the divided parts of the assignment problem and sequencing. That is, I've just bifurcated it in six types. The assignment problem is bifurcated into six types and the sequence is bifurcated into two types. I've written those properly with my explanation. So here goes the type 1 minimization assignment. This is how we identify. We just don't need to identify it first in the first place. It will be given in the question. They'll tell you to find the minimal assignment. So you just need to do the basic steps, which are these. So the step 1 is to find the row reduction, step 2 is to find the column reduction, step 3 is to assign the jobs to the particular person or the data given in the question. Step 4 is to find the minimum value by replacing the zeros to the main question's values and to add them, and you get the final answer in units. Then step 5, you don't need to write the step 5, I've just written it for my convenience. I don't think there is any step 5. Okay, these are the 4 steps for type 1. Now we go to type 2, prohibited assignment. We can identify it when one entry is missing. They'll give you a hyphen or a dot. So when you see that one entry is missing, you just make a sign. I've explained all of this in one dedicated video of 1 hour, almost 1 hour. You can just look and solve those sums I've done in that. Yeah, so here it goes. Since you just need to write the data given in the question as your solution, and then you need to write that the statement that since dash it's it will be given in the question, that row or column whichever it is missing, you need to rewrite that. It cannot be assigned to the column which is there, or the row if it is there, that if it can't be assigned to dash, therefore you need to write it as per the data. Then the second statement would be written as like this: let the corresponding entry be infinity or any sign if you want to take according to your choice, that is. Then after that you need to solve it by basic methods, which we did in the first type. So now third, we go to unbalanced assignment. Unbalanced assignment we'll be able to recognize by the unequal number of rows and columns. Step 1, that the number of rows will not be equal to the number of columns. We need to write these statements. Yes, so we'll have to make a dummy row or column, whichever is missing, with 0 cost or number. Cost, this should be that the value as per the question. So write it as value, but in the question it will be given, the units will be given. Step 2, the rows. This step 2 you need to ignore, it's just common sense. Then next step, you need to solve it like the previous one. Just look at it, it's very easy. I've discussed all of it in one video. You can go and look at that video. I'm just showing you the steps. It's just need to remember the steps, and then you'll be able to solve on your own everything. Check in. This mistake all of us do a lot.